So peep this real quick here. Um, I'm starting a challenge, a prop firm challenge, 25k account. You get me? And I will be journaling every step, every trade I take on this account. So the trading plan is one trade a day. I do not take two positions in one day, risking just 2% on every position. I do not take two trades a day. So I just want to make this YouTube playlist and just journal my journey. You get me? And try to put it out there so that I can come back and see what I've done. You get me? So that's it for this challenge. And I just got my first 25k account. Well, this is not my first 25k account. I'm on Drawdown on one, but this particular one, I just want to journal everything from scratch. You get me? So let me show you. This is the 25k account. Yeah, well, I will just put it on the screen. Right now we want to go into this first trade. You get me? GBP JPY. Let's take this buy on our 25k account, day one. Today's date is I don't know today's date though. June 1st. I like it's a Monday, June 1st, and it's a great start. So it's a Monday and it's June 1st. So yeah, let's just see how it plays out. Understand? So yeah, right now I want to take my first trade and let me get into the market for my analysis. See you guys. So we just took our first trade on GBP USD. I know I wanted to take the trade on GBP JPY, but I'm already on that trade on different accounts. But this particular account, I really want to treat it very, very carefully. You get me? So first trade on our GBP JPY. Let me show you how the chart is looking. So this is my screen. We've been in an uptrend for a while. Higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. You're retesting this resistance as support at this zone right here. So now we took our trade after we saw the bullish momentum at this level here. So we are already on the trade. Let me show you so this is it. You get me? Okay, yeah. Already on bit of profits, just $3, $10, $14. So it's fluctuating right now, but still, let's just see how this trade plays out. So yeah, guys, we just got stopped out on our GBP USD trade on a Monday. You get me? The weak start of the week. Now, the whole scenario is that we followed our trading plan and we did not break our trading plan. We took the trade exactly as we predicted and we got stopped out. Was it a bad day? It was not a bad day because I followed my trading plan. Trading is all about maintaining a repetitive system over and over again. Yeah, I have like 5 more trials to blow this account. So tomorrow if I take a trade I win, I'll be up 1%. So yeah, just let the probability play for you, and even if we blow this account we get another one, but still losing 5 trades in a row, that's still okay. Understand? Because my strategy said when I'm on a losing streak I can lose 5 trades in a row. You get me? That's fine. And when the winning streak comes, it will clear everything, because if you lose 5 trades in a row and you win just 2, you're going to clear all those losses. You get me? Even if you win 1, you might, based on your risk to reward, you can clear all those losses. So yeah, we come again tomorrow for day 2. Understand? So P&L for today. So good morning, guys. This is day 2 and we are in GBP USD again. You get me? Price has been stalling in this region for a while now, and I guess we are now ready to push higher. Understand? So this is what happened yesterday, and I just used that same. It came back to my entry, so I used that same risk to reward tool to just go in again. You can see what happened. Price came back, stop us, came back up, reacted, and now we are going higher. You get me? So let's just see how this trade goes. I'm already in, and yeah, we're already in drawdown. So let's just see. Let's just see how the trade goes. Get me? Pick that. So yeah, let's check what's happening on the chart right now. You get me? We're in a bit of drawdown. I saw this coming because the market needed to make a bit of retracement before we continue going up or still keep falling. I don't know. But here's how the market is looking. I'm in a bit of drawdown right now. So we already went to like 1:1 and I came back to drawdown. Mind you, I do not put my stop to break even when it comes to 1:1. Maybe on a Friday I might do that, but on a normal day it's 1:1.5. That's when I put my stop to break even. You get me? So yeah, that's the update for now, and let's see how the trade play out for the day. So peep this real quick here. Yesterday we took GBP USD buys and we got stopped out. Let me show you how it's looking, and we are in for a sell right now, still GBP USD, because we just broke a major structure and we are retesting, so we are seeing lower lows and lower highs. But let me show you what happened on our buy. So you can see after price went back up, we store 1:1, came back down, stopped us out, and this is London session. We broke this low, we're coming back to retest it as resistance, and now we are taking this sell down to fill this week. This is our H1. If you go to your H4, you will see this is a week. So now we are trying to week fill this particular spot here. So yesterday I took two trades, NZD USD and GBP USD. The NZD USD trade was a win, which is this, and the GBP USD is a loss. Understand? So that's our P and L for that, and our P and L for the other one. So now we just took a sell position on our GBP USD and we took another sell position on our GBP JPY. And funny thing about this sell position on our GBP JPY, you can see price already got to our TP region, but we did not set our stop to, we did not put our TP. Understand? So when price, because it was really the momentum was there, understand, but I didn't see any news for today, but there was volatility, so and I just had to wait for the price to get back there before I close out again. So yeah, and we are still doing that. We just retraced and now we are coming back down. So yeah, that's it for these trades, and we will soon get to our TP region for GBP JPY. I don't know, this other account, it's really doing well, because now I'm coming out from the drawdown. You get me? From this account, I'm coming out from the drawdown. Let me show you. This is a 10k account, and this other one is a 25k account. So the 10k account, let me show you the P and L. You can see I've been trading this for probably like 2 weeks. I don't know. So I'm just looking at the chart right now to like check what's happening. I don't want to miss any minor thing that's happening on the charts, because the volatility is there today, and I'm trying not to be all over the place, understand, because trading is all about just calming down and taking one trade at a time. So we are letting the probability play for us, and we are not just everywhere in the market, one trade at a time, letting the probability play. 2 losses and I'm on another trade again. So let's just see how this plays out. I'm already, if I close this GBP JPY trade on this my other accounts, it will be that I'm off, I'm out of that drawdown on that account and I'm in profit. So yeah, let's just see how today goes and peep that. So This is day 4, Thursday. Yeah, and now we're in London session. So our trade for yesterday, our GBP USD and our GBP JPY trade all hit TP. Yeah, but now something happened. My 25k account, I had to pull out on 1:1 because it's all in your trading plan. Yeah, when the price got to 1:2, no, once price got to 1:1.5, my stop to break even, and once price get to 1:2, my stop to 1:1, because I really need to not give out all the profit. You get me? So the market might reverse and stop me out on break even, but because of this rule I put in place, on a long run it helped me more. But because it stopped me out now doesn't mean the trade I took yesterday was a bad trade, because I still came out profitable on this trade. The price went to TP, like you can clearly see. Let me show you my chart. So you can see, remember the buy we took, we got stopped out, and now we're seeing lower lows and lower highs after we tested this support as resistance here. You get me? So we took our sell. When price got to this level, I was like, okay, 1:2. I should have closed, but this particular trade, I already predicted that market will fail this week. Let me show you the week fail. So we already feel the week now. We go to our H4 time frame. So this is the week we are feeling here. So we feel this week now, and now we are going up. But I'm not interested in this market for today. So yeah, so after we got down 1:2, my stop from break even to 1:1, then we got stopped at just by a pip. Again, we got stopped at just by a pip, then price just melted down. So that's it for GBP USD and GBP JPY. GBP JPY too was amazing. Yeah. Oh, it's back. So yeah, just a beautiful trade. Nothing much, nothing less. This would have been a good 1:3, but I closed 1:2. So that's my other account. I would have passed my other account if I had left it to close at 1:3, because now I need 2% more to pass the phase 1 for that account. But in my 25k account, we are still coming up. We just need like 2.5% to come up again. I risked 2% to get 4%. So the next trade will pull me up, and let's just see how it goes. Today is a Thursday, and let's see what the market is bringing for us today. So we just got in on the buy on USD CHF. Let me show you what's happening on chart. You can see what price is doing at this level here. This is a H1 support zone. You get me? H1 higher low. This was the last higher low on our H1. This is a retracement. This is a range. Break and retest of the range, and we'll take our buy. So as easy as you can see. So that's just the strategy. You get me? So let me show you what's happening. We are already on drawdown. We're in drawdown right now. So let's see how this trade plays out. I'm taking this trade on my 25k account and on my 10k account. If this trade gets to like 1:1, I'm passing my 10k account phase 1. If this trade gets to 1:2, I'll be in profit on my 25k account. So yeah, one trade at a time. That's just the magic. So good morning, guys. Today is a Friday, day Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Day 5. So since today is the Friday, day 5, and the trade for yesterday, we hit our stop loss for the 25k account. That's USDCHF. We hit stop loss, but for the 10k account, I passed my phase 1 account. Why? Because on my 25k account, I vowed not to take 2 trades a day, just 1 trade a day. So because of that, I did not sell the USDCHF after I saw that break. But on my 10k account, I sold and I passed that first phase. So now we are in the second phase on our 10k account, and on our 25k account we are still in a bit of drawdown, and we just entered our last trade for the week, which is still USDCHF sell. Let me show you. So this is what happened after this buy. This is a A+ setup. Even after this A+ setup, we still came down and price stopped us out with the A+ setup. So it doesn't matter if your trade, everything plays out well for you. You saw your reaction, you saw your candlestick analysis. It doesn't matter. All you need to understand is just play the probability game, and A+ setup, B+ setup, everything will still ETP if you want ETP. So what you need to do is protect your capital. It's not about marrying a position. So that's why after we got stopped out, I saw that okay, we just broke a structural area on the market, so I had to sell. But because of we only take 1 position on our 25k, I did not sell, but on our 10k I sold. You get me? So now this morning London session, I took another entry on our 25k account. So with this entry, we are already in profit, close to a 1:1. So if this trade hit our TP, that means we are out of drawdown on the 25k account. But right now we are still in drawdown, and let's just see how this trade plays out. And today is the last day for this journal, because I call this my journal playlist, my Proframe journal playlist. You get me? So yeah, so I'll see you guys after this trade hits TP or break even or SL. So let's go peep that. So we've come to the end of this series for the week. You get me? I've journaled, I followed my trading rule to the core. You get me? I managed my risk, and I just wanted to show you guys the process of how I do this. Understand? So this week we've had like 6 winners and 6 losers. So those 6 winners, which is +2, that's 2R on those 6 winners, which give us 12R, while the losses give us 6R, which means in total we are +6R for the week. You get me? If you add all this in one account, you'll be +6R, but I had to juggle it from my 25k account and my 10k account. And for my 10k account, I passed phase 1. From a drawdown, I passed phase 1. You get me? I came from drawdown to passing that 10k phase, and with the second account, I'm up 1.5% because I took 2 trades on that account on today, which is a Friday. I took the trade on USDCHF on my 25k account, which hit break even. That was not a loss. And the trade on our 10k account, I took NZD USD long, which got to 1:1 and stopped me out on a minor. Like I trailed my stop, so I got stopped out, understand, but not full stop loss, and I took another sell. Let me show you the trade for, I took another sell and it hit TP. So this is the trade for NZD-USD. You can see after I broke this level, we came here to retest, then we started going up 1:1, price came back down. I got stopped out at this level here. Let me show you. I got stopped out at this level here because I had to trail my stop to this level. So it was a minor loss. Then the second one, after we saw this bearish momentum, because today was NFT, then this minor pullback, then we took our trade to this level. So today was NFT, and I don't even care about NFT because I only see price action. I don't care about the news. I only see price action. So technical tells you where the market is going to. You get me? And fundamental only just put more sauce to it. Understand? So if the price action is showing me up, I'm taking that long. Understand? So if the fundamental comes, it only complements that direction to an extent. You get me? So yeah, we are done for the week, and this is our price action for our trade. So peep that and see you guys next week.